Ever wondered why some websites consistently rank higher than others, even with similar content? The secret lies in understanding search intent, the underlying purpose behind every user's search query. In 2025, search intent has become the cornerstone of successful SEO strategies. By accurately decoding what users are looking for, you can create content that not only ranks better, but also delivers exactly what your audience needs. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the 4 crucial types of search intent: informational, navigational, transactional, and commercial investigation. Whether you're an SEO professional looking to enhance your strategy, or a content creator aiming to improve your rankings, you'll discover actionable techniques to align your content with user intent. Ready to transform your SEO game and boost your rankings? Let's dive into the world of search intent optimization and unlock the strategies that top-performing websites are using in 2025. Search intent falls into 4 main categories: informational, which is all about seeking knowledge; navigational, which means finding specific websites; commercial investigation, where users are doing research before making a purchase; and transactional, when they're actually ready to buy. AI technology plays a vital role in analyzing user queries and understanding search patterns, helping create more targeted content that meets user expectations. Content optimization should align with specific intent types, so informational content needs to provide comprehensive answers, while transactional content requires clear purchase paths and product information. Successful SEO strategies in 2025 require a systematic analysis of search patterns and user behavior to create high-quality content that satisfies both search engine requirements and user needs. Performance metrics like bounce rate and search rankings are essential indicators of how well your content matches user intent. Search intent has become the cornerstone of modern SEO, revolutionizing how we approach content creation and optimization. It goes beyond simple keyword matching to understand the true purpose behind every search query. Understanding search intent helps create content that genuinely resonates with your audience. When you align your content with user intent, you're not just attracting traffic, you're attracting traffic that's more likely to engage with your content and convert. Search engines have evolved significantly from basic keyword matching to understanding complex user intentions. Modern algorithms use advanced natural language processing to decode the context and meaning behind search queries, making intent optimization more crucial than ever. The fundamentals of search intent revolve around 3 key elements. Query context, that's the circumstances and environment surrounding the search. User behavior, which is how users interact with search results and search patterns, the common trends and variations in search queries. In today's digital landscape, search intent drives content relevance and quality. User engagement metrics, search engine rankings, conversion rates, and user satisfaction. Search intent forms the foundation of modern SEO, requiring a deep understanding of user queries to create content that truly meets searcher needs and expectations. In today's digital landscape, understanding and implementing search intent has become a cornerstone of successful marketing strategies. When you align your content with user intent, you create a powerful connection that drives engagement, conversions, and brand loyalty. Search engines have evolved to prioritize content that matches user intent. By incorporating intent-focused strategies into your SEO approach, you can experience higher search rankings, improved click-through rates, reduced bounce rates, better user engagement, and increased conversion rates. Understanding search intent helps shape your content strategy by guiding topic selection based on user needs, informing content format decisions, determining the depth of information required, and aligning messaging with audience expectations. Implementing search intent optimization delivers tangible business outcomes: a 25% increase in organic traffic, 40% higher conversion rates, improved customer satisfaction, better resource allocation, and enhanced brand authority. By focusing on search intent, you create content that not only ranks well but also serves your audience's needs, effectively establishing your brand as a trusted resource in your industry. Search intent optimization is crucial for digital marketing success, impacting SEO performance, content effectiveness, and business results. Understanding the 4 primary types of search intent is crucial for creating content that resonates with your audience and ranks well in search engines. Each type represents a different stage in the user's journey and requires a unique approach to content creation. Search intent can be categorized into 4 distinct types, each serving a specific purpose in the user's search journey. These categories help content creators and marketers understand what users are looking for when they type queries into search engines. Alright, let's break down each search intent type. Informational intent is when users are looking for knowledge or answers to their questions. These searches usually start with phrases like how to, what is, or why. And, this type actually makes up about 80% of all search queries. Next, we've got navigational intent. Here, users are trying to find specific websites or pages, often using brand names or website names in their searches. It's a pretty direct and straightforward pattern. Then, there's commercial investigation intent, where users are researching products or services before making a purchase. These searches often include comparisons and reviews with terms like best, versus, or review. Finally, there's transactional intent. This is when users are ready to buy or complete an action. You'll see terms like buy, discount, or order in these queries. Transactional intent has the highest conversion potential among all the intent types. Different search queries, they signal different types of intent. Understanding these patterns is really important because it helps you create targeted content, optimize for specific search behaviors, meet user expectations more effectively, and of course, improve conversion rates. Each intent type actually requires its own specific content format and approach. For informational intent, think comprehensive guides and how-to articles. Navigational intent, you want a clear site structure and branded content. For commercial investigation, comparison tables and detailed reviews work best. And for transactional intent, product pages with clear calls to action are key. So, understanding and optimizing for these 4 primary types of search intent, informational, navigational, commercial investigation, and transactional, is absolutely essential for creating content that meets user needs and honestly, achieves SEO success. Informational intent queries really dominate search engines, making up nearly 80% of all searches. These types of queries reflect users who are seeking knowledge, answers, or explanations about specific topics or concepts. Some common characteristics of informational queries include starting with question words like how, what, why, or when. They often include phrases such as guide, tutorial, or steps. The focus is usually on learning or understanding a topic, and more often than not, these queries are longer and more detailed. To satisfy user expectation and specific search needs, focus on providing comprehensive, accurate information. Structure your content with clear headings, bullet points, and relevant examples. Include visual elements like images, infographics, or videos to enhance understanding. Best practices for optimization include answering the main question clearly in the first paragraph, breaking down complex information into digestible chunks, using relevant statistics and data to support claims including expert opinions or authoritative sources, and maintaining an educational and helpful tone throughout. Remember to regularly update your informational content to ensure it remains current and valuable for users. This helps maintain strong search rankings and continues to meet user expectations effectively. Informational intent queries focus on knowledge seeking, requiring comprehensive, well-structured content that directly answers user questions while providing additional context and value. Navigational searches occur when users are looking for a specific website, brand, or online destination. These searchers already know exactly where they want to go. they just need the quickest route to get there. Common navigational search patterns include brand names like Facebook, Amazon, or Nike, product names such as iPhone 15 or PlayStation 5, company locations like Starbucks near me, and specific website sections such as Netflix login or Gmail inbox. Users performing navigational searches typically have high intent to reach a particular destination. Use branded terms or exact website names, look for official websites or specific pages, and show minimal interest in alternative options. To effectively target navigational searches, ensure your brand name is prominent in titles and meta descriptions, create clear site navigation and URL structures, implement proper schema markup for better visibility, and maintain consistent NAP, name, address, phone, information across all platforms. Remember that navigational searches often have lower competition since users are specifically looking for your brand or website. However, maintaining strong brand visibility is crucial for capturing this traffic effectively. Navigational intent represents users seeking specific destinations requiring clear branding and easy-to-find official pages to satisfy their search needs. So, commercial investigation intent represents users who are actively researching products or services before making a purchase decision. These users are really in the evaluation phase of their buying journey, comparing options, reading reviews, and gathering detailed information to make an informed choice. Some key characteristics of commercial investigation queries include modifiers like best, top, reviews, versus, or compare. These queries often contain specific product categories or brand names, focusing on features, benefits, and pricing comparisons, and they show high engagement with detailed product information. Users with commercial investigation intent typically search for product comparisons, like iPhone versus Android best-in-category listings, such as best gaming laptops, 2025 professional reviews, and ratings alternative options, like alternatives to Adobe Photoshop and price performance analysis. To effectively address commercial investigation intent, content should provide comprehensive, unbiased information that helps users evaluate their options. This includes detailed feature comparisons, expert opinions, user testimonials, and clear pricing information. You can build credibility by incorporating third-party certifications, expert recommendations, customer reviews, and ratings, detailed specifications, and real-world performance data. Commercial investigation intent really reflects users in the evaluation phase of their buying journey, requiring detailed, comparative content that helps them make informed purchase decisions. Transactional intent represents users who are ready to make a purchase or complete a specific action. These users have typically moved beyond the research phase and are now prepared to convert, whether that's buying a product, signing up for a service, or completing a desired transaction. Key characteristics of transactional searches include the use of purchase-oriented terms like buy, order, discount, or coupon, inclusion of specific product names or model numbers, focus on pricing and availability information, and the presence of location-specific modifiers for local purchases. Creating content for transactional searches requires a direct approach focused on conversion. Your product pages should include clear pricing information, prominent call-to-action buttons, detailed product specifications, high-quality product images, customer reviews and ratings, secure payment options, and clear shipping information. Users with transactional intent often use specific modifiers in their search queries, like purchase-related terms such as buy, order, purchase, or shop, deal-focused words like discount, coupon, or promo code, action-oriented phrases like download, subscribe, or book now, and even location-based modifiers such as near me or in a specific city. It's important to, maintain a sense of urgency while providing all the necessary information to facilitate the purchase decision. Focus on removing any potential barriers to conversion and ensure a smooth checkout process. Transactional intent signals a user's readiness to convert, requiring optimized product pages with clear pricing, strong calls to action, and comprehensive purchase-related information to really facilitate conversions. The integration of AI technology has, honestly, revolutionized how we understand and interpret user queries. Modern AI algorithms can process vast amounts of data to identify patterns, context, and nuances in search behavior that were previously difficult to detect. AI-powered natural language processing systems analyze the linguistic structure and semantic meaning behind search queries. These systems break down complex phrases, understand contextual relationships, and identify user intent with remarkable accuracy. By processing millions of queries, NLP models learn to recognize subtle variations in language that signal different search intentions. Advanced machine learning models continuously adapt to evolving search patterns. These algorithms analyze user behavior, click-through rates, and engagement metrics to refine their understanding of search intent. The power of AI really lies in its ability to identify trends and correlations that might escape human analysis. Modern AI systems can decode user intent in real time, allowing for immediate content optimization. The technology processes query context and user location, search history and behavior patterns, device type and time of search, and related searches and modifications. AI models can even anticipate future search trends by analyzing historical data patterns. This predictive capability helps content creators stay ahead of emerging user needs and adapt their strategies proactively. The vast amounts of data processed by AI systems provide insights into seasonal search variations, industry-specific trends, geographic preferences, and device-specific patterns. AI technology transforms search intent analysis, leveraging advanced algorithms and vast data processing capabilities to decode user queries with, honestly, unprecedented accuracy and insight. Understanding search intent requires a systematic approach that combines multiple analysis methods. Let's explore the advanced techniques that can help you decode user queries more effectively. Analyzing search engine results pages, or CRPs, provides valuable insights into user intent. Study the types of content Google displays, whether it's videos, featured snippets, or shopping results. These features indicate what format best serves the user's needs. For instance, if Google shows product carousels, the intent likely leans commercial. Similarly, featured snippets often appear for informational queries. Examine the top-ranking pages for your target keywords. Pay attention to content structure and depth, media types used like images, videos, or infographics, word count and formatting, and call-to-action placement. This systematic analysis helps identify patterns in successful content that matches user intent. Track how search patterns evolve over time using tools like Google Trends and keyword research platforms. This helps you identify seasonal trends, spot emerging search behaviors, understand query variations, and adapt content strategy accordingly. Ensure the quality of your data through regular content audits, user behavior analysis, Search Console data review, and engagement metrics evaluation. Remember to validate your findings across different devices and locations, as intent can vary based on these factors. Advanced search intent analysis combines SERP analysis, competitor research, pattern recognition, and quality data collection to create a comprehensive understanding of user needs. Creating content that aligns perfectly with search intent is crucial for achieving better rankings and engaging your target audience. The process involves several strategic steps and considerations to ensure your content meets user expectations. Start by analyzing the search patterns and behavior of your target audience. Look at the questions they're asking, the language they use, and the type of content they engage with most. This understanding helps you create content that resonates with their needs and preferences. Different search intents, really require different content formats. For informational queries, it's best to create comprehensive guides, how-to articles, and explanatory content. For commercial investigation, you'll want to focus on comparison posts, review articles, and detailed product analyses. Now, for transactional searches, make sure your product pages have clear calls to action and all the purchase information a user might need. And for navigational queries, stick to clear, direct landing pages with all the relevant information right up front. It's important to focus on incorporating elements that match the user's intent, so use clear headings and subheadings, include relevant visuals and infographics, add comparison tables for your commercial content, implement proper schema markup, and don't forget to optimize those meta descriptions and title tags. Also, ensure your content provides comprehensive coverage of the topic while staying relevant. Take time to research competitor content depth, address all potential user questions, include expert insights and statistics, keep your information current and accurate, and always use clear, accessible language. Remember, it's crucial to regularly update your content to maintain its relevance and effectiveness. Keep an eye on user engagement metrics and search rankings, so you can spot areas for improvement and refinement. At the end of the day, successful content optimization really requires a strategic approach that aligns content format, structure, and depth with specific user search intent, all while maintaining high quality and relevance. Content structure plays a vital role in delivering value to your readers while satisfying search intent. When crafting content, you need to focus on both readability and information hierarchy to ensure your message resonates effectively. Break down complex topics into digestible sections using proper heading tags, like H1 to H6. This helps readers navigate through your content easily, while also helping search engines understand your content structure. Ensure each section flows logically into the next to maintain coherence. Incorporate relevant images, infographics, charts, and videos to support your written content. Visual elements not only break up text-heavy sections but also help explain complex concepts more effectively. Remember to optimize all visual elements with descriptive alt text. Use short paragraphs, about 2 to 3 sentences, to improve readability. Include bullet points and numbered lists for easy scanning. Emphasize key points using bold or italics. Add relevant internal and external links, and maintain consistent formatting throughout. With most users accessing content on mobile devices, ensure your content structure adapts well to smaller screens. Use adequate white space, readable fonts, and properly sized images to create a seamless mobile experience. A well-structured content format with clear hierarchy, visual elements, and mobile optimization helps meet reader needs while improving SEO performance. Understanding how well your content aligns with search intent is crucial for SEO success. Let's explore the key metrics that help measure your search intent optimization efforts. Monitor your bounce rate closely. A high bounce rate often indicates a mismatch between user intent and your content. Track time on page and pages per session to gauge how well your content satisfies visitor needs. A longer time spent on your pages typically suggests better intent alignment. Set up specific conversion goals based on different intent types. For informational content, track newsletter signups or resource downloads. For transactional pages, monitor purchase completions and cart abandonment rates. These metrics reveal if you're effectively meeting user expectations. Keep a close eye on your search rankings and click-through rates, or CTRs. Improved positions and higher CTRs often indicate strong intent matching. Use Google Search Console to identify which queries drive traffic to your pages and analyze their intent alignment. Study user interaction patterns through heat maps and scroll depth analysis. These tools show whether visitors find what they're looking for and how they engage with your content. Pay attention to navigation paths. They reveal if users can easily access their intended information. Regular monitoring of engagement metrics, conversion tracking, SERP performance, and user behavior signals helps ensure your content consistently matches user search intent and drives better SEO results. As we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of SEO in 2025, understanding and leveraging search intent has become more crucial than ever. By decoding user queries and aligning your content with their intentions, you can significantly boost your search rankings and deliver exceptional user experiences. Remember, the key lies in creating high-quality, targeted content that addresses the specific needs of your audience across all intent types. Take action today by implementing the strategies we've discussed. Start by analyzing your existing content through the lens of search intent and make necessary adjustments. Embrace AI technologies to gain deeper insights into user behavior and refine your approach. By consistently optimizing your content and measuring performance, you'll be well on your way to dominating search results and connecting with your target audience more effectively than ever before. How does search intent differ from traditional keyword research? Search intent goes beyond simple keyword matching by focusing on understanding the user's purpose and context. While keyword research identifies popular search terms, search intent analysis helps determine why users search for specific terms and what type of content will best satisfy their needs. Can search intent change over time for the same keyword? Yes, search intent for keywords can evolve based on current events, trends, or seasonal changes. For example, Apple might shift between informational intent, like fruit, and navigational intent, such as tech company, depending on context and recent developments. How often should I update my content to match changing search intent patterns? Monitor your content's performance monthly and conduct a thorough search intent analysis quarterly. Update content when you notice significant shifts in user behavior, SERP features, or when your rankings drop, despite having quality content. What role does mobile search play in understanding user intent? Mobile searches often have different intent patterns compared to desktop searches. Mobile users typically show more local and immediate intent, seeking quick answers or nearby solutions, which affects how you should optimize content for mobile users. How can I identify search intent mismatches on my website? Analyze metrics like bounce rate, time on page, and conversion rates. High bounce rates and low engagement often indicate a mismatch between user intent and your content. Also, review SERP features for your target keywords to ensure alignment. What impact does voice search have on search intent optimization? Voice searches tend to be more conversational and question-based, often showing informational intent. They typically use longer queries and natural language, requiring content optimization that addresses complete questions rather than just keywords.